Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. Today is July 26. We are on the slopes of Litlihrutur mountain on Reykjanes Peninsula, Iceland. And we are filming the ongoing eruption, which has been going on here now for 17 days. Started July 10th. Here you see a small spillover of lava. See, lava is flowing out from nowhere really, just from somewhere. from this thing, and how it comes there, nobody knows. That is a French-speaking family. They have 2 children, and children truly enjoy it. They comment so much what they see. That's probably once in a lifetime experience for them to see this lava so close. Zoom in. It's a pity you can't hear the sound because it's too much wind. All you would hear would be wind. That's why I have to use a muffler and lots of helicopter noise. There I see a plane and 3 helicopters over there. And the volcano a bit further. Let's zoom in into the volcano. We will get a better view of the crater when we get to the top of the mountain. I don't think it's very safe to stay here for a long time close to the lava in the bottom of the valley, and because of sulfur dioxide gas, which is usually on the low altitudes. So I will not stay here alone, maybe half an hour and then I move up. And there you see fire trucks working right now. And they have been working here since morning. They are making everything to stop the fires, wildfires around Volcano. Because wildfires causing great damage to the vegetation all around, moss, grass. They're casting rocks. Speaking American English. Cooling down now. This is the top. Cool it down. It will cool down completely and will just turn black. It will be something like this. SMS, as you see. Chaotic. And will stay like this for a few hundred years before it will flatten up. All the best to you.